What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be tucking the wires in the fender wells of the 240. Like I said before in the last video, I need to do this if I want to match the rear height or the front height with the rear height. And it's only like half an inch to an inch that I have to go down, but I'm gonna show you guys the process into tucking the wires. I didn't really find too many videos on YouTube about it. The only video I know about like by heart or in my head is Randy's from Eliminate when he had his S14, when he first had it and he was like first doing YouTube videos. He did a little show of how he wire tucked his wire harness, and I'm basically doing the same exact thing, but you guys get to see everything, all the cutting, all that stuff. So, but I also want to take a moment to say thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. Some of you guys might not know, yesterday was my birthday. Turned 23, my GOAT year. But yeah, blessed to be still on this earth, blessed to be, living, doing videos for you guys, still working, grinding out here, and making content for you guys. So once again, thank you guys for the birthday wishes, and let's head to the shop. All right, guys, so here at the shop, play the musical cars, Evo, GTR out, other Evos up front, but got Bad Girl ready to go on the lift. But first, I wanted to clean up the shop a little bit, just tidy up, make some room, take out the trash, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, and then we'll dive into trying to tuck the wiring harness on both sides. And yeah, so excuse the fan, sorry, it's hot. Florida this week has been super hot. Well, the week before was nothing but rain, but now it's super hot. So I just let me organize, and I'll get back to you guys when we're ready. All right, guys, so car's on the lift. Now we got to take off the whole entire front end, bumper, lights, both fenders, in order to get to the wiring harness. So let me set you guys up for a time lapse for that, and yeah. All right, so progress is going good, but then I forgot there's bolts at the bottom of the fenders that I have to take off. This side, this fender has never been taken off, so there's probably more. But on the other side, there's two, and as you see, the lift arms are probably blocking them, so I'm probably gonna have to put the wheels back on, move the lift arms back or further away, and then yeah. So I just gotta readjust the lift, and yeah. That's a slap on the neck for me. All right, guys, so the whole entire front end is apart, but what I learned to find out is I didn't have to take off the passenger side. The only thing that is on the passenger side is the windshield washer nozzle thing, and to be honest, who really cares? I could tuck it still, just because, why not? But on the driver's side, this is what I was talking about, the wiring harness. Right here, it's just gonna be in the way. It's kind of tucked up, but you want to tuck it up a little bit more. This is the hood latch cable right here, so you definitely want to get that out of the way. But other than that, the rest of the harness goes in there. So what I saw was that people would cut a section right here just so you could tuck it up. and then they would drill into this unibody here, if you want to call it a unibody, and they would lay it on top, zip tie it, and then they'll be clear and out of the way when you go lower. I mean, I'm not going like slam yet. Later in the future I will go slam, but I just want to match the rear fitment with the front, so definitely gonna have to tuck it. But this is just preventative maintenance for future problems. But that took a while. But now on the passenger side, at least I know that I could make it so it's quicker to take off instead of OEM style. But yeah, let me get into this and set you guys up. Alright, so as you guys saw in that time lapse, first cut wasn't big enough to where the harness would go up top, and the second cut was just about right. Grinded it so nothing would, if it ever were to rub, it wouldn't cut through the plastic cover. So now it can sit right on top, just like that. But now I gotta drill some holes in order to get some zip ties so I can zip tie this up, and then it will be permanently up there. Alright guys, so now it's all zip tied all up. If you guys saw, it drilled just literally 2 holes right here in the unibody, or whatever you want to call it again. And literally it's all that's zip tied up. And I zip tied this a little closer to the fender well. But got some visitors. You got Ender here.
Guys.
You got my boy. Chill. But like I said, on this side, it's not bolted up. I just have it in place for now. Realized there wasn't any wiring harness on this side, so that's a plus. I just now know that I could take that side off quicker. But let me put the front end back together, and then we're gonna shoot some photos today, Doc.
Hell yeah, bro. Let's get it.
Yeah. All right, guys. So front end is now back together. Every bolt and every nut, everything is all back together. Now I just gotta adjust the coilovers on both sides so it matches the rear, and then gotta give this bad girl a wash, because I haven't washed this thing in so long because literally the week before it literally rained every single day, so I didn't bother washing it. But now definitely gotta wash it. So car's on the ground, time to wash. Would you look at this guy, huh? But that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm glad I got this out of the way, just because in the future, if I ever do go like 18s, or if I want to go lower and go full like stance boy, I can now. I just gotta, there's still like a lip type of thing that I still have to bend and get out of the way, but you know, I'm fine for now. I was more worried about the harness getting rubbed through. I rubbed through the hood latch cable a little bit, but I fixed that. But other than that, you know, it was a nice, easy process. But hope you guys out there with S14s that are just like getting into it or anything like that, learn from something like that. I mean, obviously, like most people already know to tuck the wires or anything like that. But you know, just hope you guys like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Put it down in the comments what you guys want to see next. I might finally give the 240 the paint correction it definitely needs. I don't really know what's next. Like now it's saving up for the 5-speed manual swap. So definitely gonna be a while before that comes along, unless out of the blue I win the lottery, and then you know the car can get finished with everything that I want to do for it. But yeah, definitely give me some feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next one.